Are you looking to put up some patio lights? Watch today's video, we'll show you how to do it. We got these patio lights from Gpatio, and they sent them to us to give them a try. So we're going to stick these up. There's one thing that we do every time we put patio lights up, we put a support cable. We use this support cable probably 4 times so far, and has never given us any problems. So we're going to put the support cable up first, and then we'll put our string lights up and make beauty happen. And luckily the string lights that were sent by Gpatio will actually go all the way from the outlet that we have that's on a switch, down across the patio, over and back to the house. So it's just a perfect length, and we're just excited to put them up. So in the support cable package, you're going to get a roll of cable. You're going to get screw eyes that will screw into the fascia and board or whatever you're going to be putting into. You're going to get these add-a-link, and this is for just attaching it to the eyelets. And then you're going to get some adjustable eyelets, and this is for putting the tension on the cables itself. I'll show you how to do it. It's a great method. It works super slick. Okay, so once we get the cable to this point right here, I'm going to go ahead and get it started in the clip. And what makes these so nice is you take the cable, you insert it into the hole, and it's going to come out the side hole here. And what we're going to do is just put enough out that we get some tension on it. So when you pull back, this actually grips onto the cable itself. And this is what we'll use to actually pull the tension on it once we get the other end on. Okay, so on this end of the cable, you have to use a very good pair of cutters. So I'm going to cut it. And the reason you need a good pair of cutters is because you want a nice end to the cable. So we're going to take the splice, go into it, loop, and come back down. So just like this. I'm going to have a little bit of tail back here. I'm going to take my crimpers. And I'm just going to crimp that connection. So that's a solid connection now. So we'll go ahead, and on the other end, I'm going to take this add-a-link, slip this in, and then I'm going to slip this on the eyelet that's attached up to the piece of wood. So I've got this all clipped on, ready to go, and we're just going to unspool the cable and move that over to our next point. Okay, so now that we have the cable up, I'm just going to take the cable in one hand right here and hold on to the body. I'm just going to pull it through and just like that. I'm not going to clip the cable until we actually get the lights on, see if it needs some final adjustment. Okay, so installing these lights, the beauty of them, they have a clip right on the back of them. So that clips right onto the cable, just like this. So it's just super simple. And they also close up, so if you do get a little bit of wind, they're going to stay clipped. Also, these light bulbs are a plastic, so they're going to knock around. If they hit this wood, it's not going to matter. They're not going to bust. And so they seem very quality, really happy with them. And they come pre-assembled. Okay, 30 minutes later, we're done. We've got all the string lights up. It looks really great, lit up this area. And we've got the cornhole court all lit up, ready for some games. All right, thanks for watching. We really appreciate Gpatio for sending us these lights, and they're great quality lights. And if you have any questions on how to install a patio light, or you want to know where to buy them, the links are down below. Thanks for watching DIY on the House. Have a great day.